What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium Barbecue Review. Today, I'm doing a review of a product. I got this temp probe in from Inkbird. Inkbird seen that I've been using the 4 probe one. Here, I'll show you. Alright, so y'all seen me use this one before, this Inkbird before, with the 4 probes right here. And it also links up to your phone. It's got a Wi-Fi thing. It's really cool. And probably one of my favorite assistants that I have whenever I'm cooking. I really love that thing. So anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do a quick little overview of this product right here. Ooh, I just noticed. It says right there, made in China. I don't know if it's from the Guangdong province, but I'm gonna go ahead and sanitize that real quick. Sanitize my hands. I don't want to get none of that whatever, the corona virus or whatever it's called. I don't know. But anyhow, gonna go ahead and get this thing opened up. This is the first time I'm opening it. It's still sealed. Take my box cutter, cut the seal open. Let's see what we got inside here. All right. So first reaction. It's really packaged nice. It's kind of like a little felt thing here. It's kind of fancy actually. That's pretty cool. So this is my first time seeing this thing. Yeah, that's really neat. Pretty simple. Got one button right here. I really like that. Here's the back side. I'm gonna go open this up. All right, there we go. There's the degrees. It's saying it's 83 out here right now, which I think that's actually 84, 85. That's actually probably pretty good. If you have any questions, please call customer support. It comes with a charging cable, so it doesn't have batteries. You actually charge it up with a cable, which is pretty cool. And also, it's kind of like a nice cushion. So he went into a lot of thought in packaging this product here, which is pretty cool. Instructions. I'm digging through here. Looks like there's no instructions. I guess it's pretty much self-explanatory. On the back here, it says product name, digital food thermometer. The model, this is the Iht-1P. Measurements and accuracy +1 Celsius or 2 Fahrenheit. Let me go with accuracy. As long as to me, I don't have to have it exactly to like the fraction of a degree accurate. If it's within 1 to 2 degrees, I'm fine, because the only thing I really cook well done is chicken. And I always cook chicken beyond what it actually reads. So if chicken is done at 145, it's well done at 145. I will generally take chicken to about 170. So even if this thing is 2 degrees off, it's reading 160, 167 or 165. I know that chicken's is perfectly done, because I'll be probing it at 170, and I usually put my chicken at 170 because I don't play with chicken. Also on the package, it says warranty. It has a 2-year warranty. Look at this right there. Take a look at that real quick. For a little temp probe, that is pretty cool. I do have other products like this, but I'm only going to talk about only this product for right now. I might do a comparison between this one and another kind at a later point in time, but I want to focus just on this product today. Just so you know, they did send me this for free to do a review, because they seen I liked their other products. They say, hey, since you like our other Inkbird product, we're going to send you one of these just to give it a try. And so I was like, yeah, why not? But here's the thing. If it's a piece of crap, I'll tell you it's a piece of crap. You guys already know that about me. They say that it's waterproof, IP ×5. Not sure what that means. Measure rating. It reads in points. So in half a second, you'll get your reading in half a second. Measurement readings right here is from -50 to 572 Fahrenheit, and Celsius, that would be -50 to 300 Celsius. Power is rechargeable, so that's good. Okay, so I've got some water I'm gonna boil. I'm gonna stick that probe in there, and I'll see how well it measures, and if it truly does it within 1 second. I'm also gonna get a glass of some ice water and put that probe in there and see how fast and how accurate it is to get a reading. So let's get started on the testing. I'm also going to test the whole waterproof thing, see if it actually is waterproof. I'm not too smart, however, I don't know what IP ×X5 is. Waterproof level, IPX5. I have no idea what that means. So I think as long as it's within probably 3 feet of water, or less, I'm pretty sure it'll probably be okay. Or maybe that might be 5 feet, I don't know. But anyhow, let's get started on the testing. Okay, so like everything else, I have it on my induction cooktop here. I got my pot, and I'm outside, because I don't like cooking inside. And I have my pot right here with some hot water in there. I'm gonna get it to a boil, and I'm going to put this into there and see if it has a good reading. Okay, so the little thing that came inside the package right here, if I flip it over, I just noticed it has how to calibrate. So in case you want to calibrate it, there's instructions there on how to calibrate. All right, so that comes in handy. As long as it's within, you know, the 1 to 2 degrees, there's no need to calibrate it, in my opinion. I mean, I'm not that anal. It could be 1 to 2 degrees off, and I really don't care. All right, here we go. We got a nice raging boil. Water boils at my elevation at 212 degrees. Let's see if we can see this. Half a second. All right, so we can see that. Yep, 212, man, that's spot on. But it measured it within, supposed to do within half a second. So you see that, 212. Yep, that's good. Do it again. There, 212. It's within basically, it took basically 1 second to do. All right, let's do the next test. So I have myself a glass of some ice water here. So you stick it in, see that? It goes down. 33, so I got it too. Let me try this again. It's not wanting to cooperate here. So it's a couple of degrees off when it goes to the cold in Fahrenheit, but I'm not gonna be measuring anything really cold. So if I calibrate, I have to no, I'm not gonna calibrate it. 35 degrees. So it's supposed to be half a second, you're supposed to get a reading. Okay, that's half a second. So I'm getting different readings on going cold. But then again, see, I'm doing it right on the ice. 33. There we go. Try this again. Right in the ice. Here we go. So 33. So it's about a degree off. All right, so I just came down here to the community pool. Let's test to see if this thing truly is waterproof. I'm just gonna throw it here in the shallow end to see what it does. They need to clean our pool. Anyhow, here we go. Here it is. It's not sinking. Yes, it's waterproof because it floats. Look at that. Sweet. All right, now I'm gonna open it. So temperature of the pool is 76 degrees. Hold it below the water. Well, there ain't no bubbles coming out. I got it on, it's reading 77 degrees. 77.3, there we go. Well, it looks to be waterproof as well. Well, there you go. It looks to be waterproof. All right, there we go. Final thoughts coming up. All right, y'all, so the Inkbird Iht-1P. Well, it does what it says it does. It reads accurate. I tested it on boiling water. It came to 212, that's with the boiling point at my elevation. And when I went to the cold water, it read 33 degrees instead of 32. But hey, you know what? I'm cool with that. And then also just brought it down to the pool, and well, it seems to be waterproof as well. It floats. Who knows? I didn't think it'd float. I thought it was just gonna sink down to the bottom. I was pretty surprised. So anyhow, if you guys would like to get yourself one of these, I'm gonna put into my Amazon link down below, or I might just put a link for this product down below in the description. So either check out Amazon or check out the link down below. Thank Inkbird for sending me this. Seems pretty cool, and I'll be doing some comparisons between this and another product at a later point in time. But this video is just to focus on this product right here. Really not much I can really say negative about it. I mean, it was just like a degree off when it went to go into some ice cold water, and that was about it. Anyhow, like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao.